almost won with 142 points.
A thrilling win. Let's get some reaction from head coach Gregg Popovich.
You know, you give a little, you get a little.
I do like the way your team really hung in there, especially in overtime when it looked like the Lakers were going to.
Well, that was the best part of the game. We go down 6 or 7 or 8, whatever it was, and they kept playing. That was very pleasing and bodes well for the future as they continue to play together. That was probably the best part of the game.
How exciting was this for the third game of the season? This is a real
Yeah, you never know when it's going to happen, but it's a good night for the guys. I'm happy for them. They stuck in very well. Very well.
On the sideline there after LeBron hit that 3 and then they go up and try to really take it. Just maneuvering here. What's going through your mind at that point? 55 seconds of being stuck.
Well, you're trying to figure out what you want to run and who you want to have on the court. And we decided to keep the same group on the court. But you're mostly looking at what you want to try to take advantage of and how you think you can score. But, Rudy and Bryn were large.
There's one bright side is you had several attractive options when you needed somebody to score for you. There were a lot of guys who played well on that end.
Yeah, we didn't really have that last season in a lot of situations because of injury and that sort of thing. So it was good. For being such a new group together, they're really enjoying playing with each other.
Did you call that for Patty? Did you call that play for Patty?
Patty, which play?
The game-winning shot.
Did Patty hit it?
Yeah.
I know he fouled out, but what you like about Cunningham's effort on LeBron?
I thought he did as well as he could possibly do against a fantastic player. He played smart. He was aggressive when he needed to be. And he's guarding LeBron, so you would assume that he's going to use maybe all his fouls. And I think he did.
The Lakers have not been very good at all in recent years. Do you see them now as a formidable team? Your first look at them?
Well, they're just going to get better and better. LeBron's, Luke's done a great job with the group, and it's still a very young group with even more new guys. And LeBron's a great teacher. He's a great role model, and they'll just get better and better. And by that I mean mentally, as much as physically and O's and X's. That's all. That happens because they care. They got good guys, but with the leadership of LeBron, he'll demand a lot, and that'll help the ball raise to another level for sure.
What do you think of the way DeMar played?
He's a competitor. He doesn't stop. He just plays his ass off. He was fantastic.